can usually tell within 10 seconds whether an apartment feels expensive, even before you notice the furniture. Some spaces immediately feel calm, elevated, intentional. Others feel visually tiring almost instantly, and the difference usually has nothing to do with money. It comes down to one design rule that luxury spaces protect very carefully. But most renters accidentally destroy room by room without even realizing it, because what makes a small apartment feel luxurious is rarely what people think. It is not more decor, it is not expensive furniture, and it is definitely not filling every empty corner. Once you understand the rule, you start noticing why certain apartments feel calm immediately and why others feel mentally crowded no matter how nicely they are decorated. And honestly, most people break this rule while trying to improve their apartment. More shelves, more baskets, more little decor pieces, then suddenly the apartment starts feeling smaller every month. So, in this video, I am going to show you the quiet luxury rule that changes how a small apartment feels. It's the three places most people accidentally break it, and the easiest way to fix it without replacing everything you own. The rule is simple. Every part of your apartment should feel intentional, not crowded. Quiet luxury spaces always have visual breathing room between objects, breathing room between textures, breathing room between focal points. Your eye needs places to rest. Most small apartments fail because every single surface is trying to compete at the same time. The coffee table has candles, books, trays, flowers, remotes, and decorative objects, all fighting for attention. Then the sofa has too many pillows. Then the wall has tiny frames everywhere. Nothing feels intentional anymore because everything feels equally important. Luxury interiors understand hierarchy. Your eyes should know exactly where to land first. That is why expensive spaces usually feel calmer almost immediately. So, here are the three places you are probably breaking this rule. Number one, surfaces. The fastest way to destroy a luxury feeling is surface clutter. Countertops, coffee tables, nightstands, dressers, random objects spread everywhere instantly make a space feel temporary. Luxury spaces group things intentionally. Instead of 10 tiny disconnected objects scattered around a room, you get one composed moment: a tray, a candle, a sculptural object, done. That immediately feels calmer. Number two, lighting. This is probably the biggest one. Overhead lighting destroys depth in small apartments. It blasts every corner equally and flattens the room. That is why your apartment suddenly feels less expensive the second the overhead light turns on at night. Quiet luxury spaces use selective lighting: one warm floor lamp, one soft table lamp. That layered lighting creates shadows and depth, and shadows are part of what makes spaces feel expensive. Hotels understand this extremely well. The room glows instead of floods. That changes everything. And honestly, this is why so many people keep redecorating over and over without ever feeling satisfied with the apartment. They think they need more furniture, more storage, more decor, when sometimes the apartment just needs less visual competition. If you are into practical, quiet luxury ideas for small apartments, subscribe to Lovely Living. Number three, textiles. This is the sneaky one: the throw blanket from one store, the patterned pillow from another, a random rug that technically matches. Individually, fine. Together, visual noise. Quiet luxury spaces usually stay inside one emotional palette: warm neutrals, soft texture layering, materials that feel connected. That cohesion is what creates calm, and calm is what people interpret as luxury. Here is the easiest way to apply this today. Instead of decorating every area lightly, choose fewer areas and style them better. So instead of tiny decor scattered across every surface, create one strong focal moment. Maybe it is a large leaning mirror, a tall, warm floor lamp, one oversized art piece, one beautiful tray setup on the coffee table. Then stop. Not every surface needs a personality. Another huge upgrade is scaling up instead of multiplying. Luxury spaces usually use fewer, larger items. One oversized vase feels calmer than six tiny objects. One large framed art piece almost always looks more expensive than a wall full of tiny scattered frames. One large rug grounds the room better than several smaller visual interruptions. Your eye moves through the room more smoothly, and that smoothness creates the elevated feeling. That is the quiet luxury rule most people skip. Luxury is rarely about adding more. A lot of the time, it is about reducing visual competition, giving the apartment room to breathe. And once you start noticing this, you see it everywhere: hotels, restaurants, luxury apartments. The most elevated spaces are usually the calmest ones. So before you buy another decor item this week, try removing something first.